Hello everyone, this is my Bitcoin analysis of the market as it is the 9th March 2025. Okay, let's start with the monthly chart, guys. If we look at the monthly chart um, and look at this big channel that I draw here, um, the channel that went on over the last years, we can see that in 2021 we have hit the top of the channel, and 2023 we hit the bottom of the channel, and which let us draw this nice channel here. And over the last year we have, or the last years, we have made our way from the support to the top of the channel here. And we can see that in the in January we have hit the top of this big channel here and have since made our way down from the top, kind of in the direction of the middle of the channel. um, and you know if we look at this second channel that I drew here, and maybe take a look at the weekly chart, then we can see that you know um, we hit the top here and here, which let us draw this nice channel here, where we hit the bottom here once. And if we look at this channel here, we can see that we had one push, two pushes, and now the third push up in this channel, and had made a double top here, which many people, have asked themselves what could happen here up here. People were really hoping that this support line here would hold, which it in the end did not hold. It caused a lot of fear. A lot of people thought that the bull market is over. Regardless, I think it's important to say that we um, we clearly needed a pullback in this steep channel upwards, and we also had to fill this gap here. So I think we had to make a retracement. And so in the last weeks, we have made our way from the top of the second channel, downwards to the support of the second channel. And if we maybe take a look at the daily chart to have a closer look at things, we can look at this third channel, which shows the way from the top to the bottom of the second channel. And we can see that in the last weeks, um, from the 17th December, we went down here, and then we kind of, if we look at the middle of the channel, we broke above the middle of the channel, and then you know we we went down, you know but we kept above the middle of the channel. And then in the last week of February, we went down, we went down to the bottom of the whole channel again. um, and then we hit the 200 MA the first time for months, which caused this little pump here, which also I think aligned with the news of the Bitcoin reserve in the US. But soon afterwards, we met the 150 MA here, and then dumped pretty quickly down again. Yeah, and in the last weeks we had kind of this, you know, um, uncertainty in the channel, and you know, we can take a look at it on the 4-hour chart, where we didn't really go in any direction here. Um, we had this this triangle pattern here, which just went sideways for the last week. You know, if we look at it, we can see, you know, this big pump here, and then this dump again down, and then we kind of when we hit 200 MA here, we try to cross the middle of the channel, which failed, and it probably trapped a lot of people up here, and then we dumped again. Um, so yeah, we can take a look here real quick to see where the I can't take my tools right now, but it's okay because I already drew the line. You know, if we look at the where the most liquidity is and the most trades in this whole pattern, we can see it's kind of in the middle here. Um, and you know, we are below this line. And we can also say that we had already one, two, and three. We already had three pushes to the upside, and we had equally, you know, three pushes to the downside right now. So this pattern should not hold so long. I think in the next week probably we have a decision in which direction we will go. Um, I know if you would ask me what you should trade in in the next week or for the break of this pattern, I mean, in my opinion, you should probably not trade at all because it's pretty risky to trade in the middle of the channel, you know. Um, it's kind of like a 50-50 in which direction we will go. I think there's a bigger incentive to go to the downside, just because you know, we came from the top of the channel from resistance, and we normally make our way from the top to the bottom. Um, and also, I think you can see that the only reason we are bouncing is because of the 200 MA. So um, it's really hard to tell if the 200 MA will hold. We can see that the pumps become smaller and smaller. We can see that, you know, uh, the resistance comes more down, and the support also comes higher up. So if you want to be safe, then don't trade this pattern and just wait until we hit the bottom, or if we make it to the top. Um, you know, but that would be just my tip. If we look at the um, RSI, we can't really see any divergence on it. You know, it's looking pretty normal or neutral on the RSI, so we don't have any divergence here. Yeah, guys. So this would be my analysis of the Bitcoin market for the last week or last weeks. Let me tell me in the comments what you think about it, if you agree or if you disagree, and you know, give me your opinion about it. And if nothing else, I wish you guys a very nice weekend, and we'll probably hear of each other in the next week, hopefully.